So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your airflow meter piece here on your Mercedes S500. This is a 97, so let's check it out.
Hey guys, I'm Jordan and you're watching Fixbook. After watching this video, your car problem stand-up has as much a chance as this laptop does against my hot leg. Now, make sure you stay tuned so you can see what happened to the laptop at the end of this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.
Okay guys, and the tools you'll need for today's project is a flashlight, and then I'm guessing an 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, like a 90-degree Phillips head screwdriver, because you're going to have to access some hose clamp fasteners to loosen up, and you'll probably need maybe some extensions or universal joints. It's going to be a difficult project, not for the light of heart automotive worker. So yeah, with all that said, we'll go ahead and begin today's project.
Okay guys, now the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to expose the airflow meter, and what we're going to do in order to do that is we're going to remove these covers here, and this one you're just going to kind of lift up on both sides, and we'll set them off here to the side. And then we have these little guys right here where you just pull up and do this thing right here, and you have 10 of these, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you saw how I just did that right there. And then we've got 2 on the side, and then the rest are going to be laying there on the back there. So you're just going to wash, rinse, and repeat there 10 different times. And then I'll show you about pulling this plastic piece off right here. So we'll take a look at that here in just a second. Okay guys, so here we are, and I've already done the last clips back there, but I just got one right there. And you're going to want to make sure you get the clip off the cover there, and just like that right there. And then the ones on the back here, you can have one right there, right there, right there, and right over here. So now I've got those off, and now we're just going to work on lifting and getting this guy off. And you may find that you have some clips that are still connected that might be holding on to you there. So, and there we go, I still had a clip back over there. So this is also your air filter cover. So there you go. So now we'll just set our piece here off to the side. Okay guys, now our airflow meter is exposed. It's going to be this guy right here. It's going to be this plastic piece with a sensor going in on each side. Holds 2 sensors. And basically what we've got here is we've got to remove these 2 sensors, and then we have 2 hose clamps sitting at the bottom, and you're going to loosen those fasteners on the hose clamps, and then we'll twist and pull up. And guys, this is an overview video. You should have known that by the title, so I won't be showing you exactly everything. I will show you how to get these connectors off, and then I'll show you the locations of the fasteners. So you could do this on your own time here. I'm just not actually going to pull it off because, well, for one, the customer doesn't have the part for today. So yeah, I'll just be giving you the overview. Alright guys, so here we are. We're taking a bit of a closer look, and we're going to look down right through here. And this is our first connector, and basically in order to get this guy off, we're going to spin them left. And you can see when I'm spinning them there, he kind of comes off there. So that's how you'll be able to remove that connector, and then you're going to plug it back in, you'll line up that arrow, push in, and twist right. That's how you're going to go about this connector. The other connector on the other side is a simple squeeze and pull, so I'll show you that here. Alright, and here is our other connector, and basically you can see it's got that thing where you push there and you're going to pull out, and I can't do that with one hand, and I can't set up my camera to show you to do it. So basically you'll just take your 2 fingers here, squeeze and pull, and that's how you'll remove the electrical connector. The next thing we have is the 2 fasteners and the hose clamps that's holding this guy on right now. You can see I'm wiggling him, he's not moving. So you're going to want to remove those hose clamps, and then in theory here this guy will just pull right off. Alright, and now I'm showing you the hose clamps that are holding on our airflow meter here. It's going to be these 2 guys right here. I guess you could take an 8mm socket, it looks like, and get the top one and then the bottom one. And we can see our bottom one is going to be that guy right there. So there we go. Basically you just loosen those guys up, and that's going to be the trick. That's going to be the difficult part, is removing those guys, or loosen them up at least, so you can pull off your airflow meter. So that pretty much concludes today, because the install is going to be the reverse of the removal. And yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the overview, and hopefully it's useful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Oh, and guys, one quick thing I wanted to add before we conclude today's video is we got these clips here. You want to make sure your clips are out of your way, so just kind of push them back, and then the ones that are on here, just push them out of your way. Got one back there. So then when you get to put your piece back on here, it can be a little tricky. You'll have those clips out of the way, and then you won't kind of clip them all up and then find that you have one sitting in there. So just make sure you do that. It'll save you some time. So yeah, there you go. Also guys, on a car like this with age, a lot of times you got these hoses right here. They'll be kind of loose because it's kind of lubricated there. So you may have disconnected this, or say this guy right here, you see how easy he comes off. So just make sure you have those guys all plugged in, or your car's not going to run right when you put it back together. And also we can see we've got a cutout on this piece right here where my thumb's at. It's going to line up with this piece right here. So just make sure when you're putting this guy back on, you line that cutout with that rubber thing there. So, and that just kind of snaps back on. So there you go.
Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all my new videos, which publish Mondays and Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific Time, 10 a.m. Mountain Time, 11 a.m. Central Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and I will see you then.